1.2. We'll check on that too. And let's see the tag. Yeah, VAV 1-2. Hear that clicking? Yeah, the heat doesn't stay on. Suspecting another airline hose is off its port and it can't really read flow. Looking at all these, here again, we have a service panel here, and we got two support wires for the suspended ceiling. This is the door that needs to be open. God damn it. It's always this bullshit we gotta go through. Nobody cares about service. Alright, here's some air hoses. I'm just gonna check on the outside, see if anything's disconnected here. I do feel a little air leakage back there. I really can't see that good. It's dark, I have to get my flashlight. But then I need a tool to undo that. Then turn off the disconnect. And as far as this, I don't know, I might have to take the door off completely. So that really discourages anybody from working on this, because you know the trouble you got to go through just to get in there. So alright, I'll just get started. Okay, so what I gotta do is take the door off so I can access the components so I can service it. And as I'm working here, you can hear the heater contact click in, click out, click in, click out. Alright, let's see if we can get this off without starting a fire, blowing something up. Alright, that should be off. Alright, now we get to the goodies. Alright, we got it open now. We gotta get some light. Let's see, I wanted to look at the airline hose. Here, this one. There. Then I'm gonna take that cover off too. And look at the digital controller and check out the hoses on it. Let's go get some light. Alright, got some light here. Here's your single stage magnetic contactor. It's not pulled in. Old and dirty and worn. Here's my airflow switch. And these are your dry and brittled poly tubing. I'm not gonna touch it too much, or it's just gonna break off. Here we got a manual reset, a high limit, not tripped. Open coil heating elements with ceramic insulators. Alright, I need to take this off and check out these air hoses. Bingo, baby. Check it out. There's the end of the hose, not connected to anything. Where's it belong? Right there. Belongs right there. That's where it needs to attach. I'm gonna call it the airflow station. That's how the controller knows how much CFM is going and where to position the air damper, open and shut, depending on heating mode, cooling mode. Alright, let's see what it is. Put it right back on. So, again, here, this shaft is about horizontal here. That means fully open. Why is it fully open? Because it can't measure airflow. Because it doesn't know enough airflow, actuator keeps nudging up until it's fully open, because it's like, hey, I'm starved for air. It's really not starved for air, it's just it can't measure air. It's amazing how these just fall off, you know? Amazing. Like I said, everything needs maintenance once in a while. Needs a physical inspection, preventive maintenance. Go through, make sure everything's okay. Oops, see, look how fast that one fell off. Just touching it. Alright, I'm gonna put the camera down and get these back on and then resume videoing. Okay, just put the hoses back on. See here that they're back on their ports. This is your direct digital controller. It communicates on the network, on the DAS. So I'm gonna move over here. This is your electric resistance heat section. This is the reheat. I have the power off, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn the power back on and see if this heater contact will pull in and start heating again. It'll take a couple minutes here. We should see the air valve shaft start to close down. I can hear it. I can hear the flow starting to slow down. I'll just let it do its thing now. Pull in, start heating. So the space temperature in the X-ray room is like 68 degrees, set point 73, so it should be a minimum of 72 degrees in there. We're not getting 72 degrees because we didn't have proper heating. Like I said, it's like high 30s outside today, so the room's like 68 degrees, but you know, because it's fixed by winter and on a 0 degree day, you know, it's gonna be in the 50s in that X-ray room. So what we're doing is just getting ahead of the curve here and taking care of problems before they really are problems. Alright, never fails. Grab my tester and it pulled in. Unit is now heating. Whoop-de-doo. Unit is now heating. Whoop-de-doo. PAD 1.2. Alrighty, got what we needed. Degree supply air temperature. Just all that fixed.